What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen timeout issues in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, check the screen time settings. So for that, open settings, scroll down, and here click on display, and then scroll down and click on screen timeout. Now from here, check the screen timeout time, and you can choose another screen time to check if it fixes the issue or not. So after doing this, if it doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is turn off auto brightness. So for that, open settings again, scroll down and click on display, and here you will see a adaptive brightness button. So just simply tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off the adaptive brightness, the screen timeout issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after turning off auto brightness, then the last solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power off icon. Tap on this power icon and then tap on restart. Now again tap on this restart icon. So when you will tap on this restart icon, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone will fix the small software glitches like screen timeout or any other glitch if you are having. So that's how you can fix the screen timeout issues in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.